Morning. Morning. You okay? I've got a delivery for you. Where do you want the pallet? It's one pallet. Where do you want it?
It normally goes across the road.
Across the road. Thank you. It might be there. Yeah? I don't know.
It's got to go.
Inside of that?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
Is that alright to get it up the curb?
Yeah. Should be okay. Yeah, probably I'll just put the pallet there and put the stuff inside.
Yeah, okay.
Because I can't go with the pallet there.
Yeah, whatever you can do, that'd be brilliant. And then I'll have to read the boss and say it's...
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Cheers. Okay. I think it's the pallet on the right side. Don't really like the pump truck because now it's okay. In the morning, it's just I've tried to use it somehow and didn't work properly. Now it's okay. Pallet is quite heavy. This is another vehicle, I never use this one. Just drop the pallet. And I'll take it this way. Unwrap it and then to put it inside. I don't know where to put it, that's the problem. Okay. So let's do this one first. the customer has to do that because has to make sure it's closed. So that's the lorry, by the way. So it's all done for you.
Right,
Everything
okay,
is in the shop.
Which one do I need to sign?
So just this one, and you keep them both.
Yeah.
The other two.
Okay.
If you want to make sure that is locked, because you know exactly there.
Yeah, I've got
Yeah,
the key, that's
yeah.
fine.
Because I just shut the gate, but I didn't lock
Yeah.
it. Just for you to check if you got enough products that you order. Yeah.
That's fine.
Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
thanks
Wish
for
you all the
that.
best. Have a nice Christmas.
And
Take care.
take
See you.
care.
Bye.